Well, greetings there, prop fans. It's Tony here from Caveman Props, and I am in what is going to be my new office. It's not quite ready yet. I've just had the back wall done, but there's some displays and stuff going to go on there, so a little bit of jazzing up for the background. I've also got a new workshop that's just behind this wall. That's still in very much disarray, but I'm going to hopefully come to that very soon and get that sorted and show you all that, because I'll start remaking props and putting out some prop tutorials. We moved house, so obviously I needed, and I've built a nice new workshop and office down the bottom of the garden. So why am I coming to you today? It's this. I have an unboxing for you. It's a little bit different. I always undo unboxings. If anyone knows me, you know I love swords. Prop swords, movie swords, the works. I love them, and I've built a lot of my own over the years. Excaliburs have got to be one of my favourites, so I'm trying to build as many Excaliburs from the different films and TV series as much as possible. I had one on my list, and a friend of mine turned around and said, contact this company. I'll just show you I don't quite know how to pronounce that. Okay, but anyway, I turned around and said, yeah, but I'll make my own, I don't buy. He turned around and says, no, they're brilliant. Check them out. So I had a look. They've got a shop on Amazon UK, here in the UK, and they've also got one in the States. There's more stuff on the States one. So I'm hoping they're going to start moving some of the stuff over to the UK one as well, because there's some brilliant like Viking axes and shields and all different parts of armour. And what they do is they use polyurethane foam. So it's pretty much what I do, but some of the stuff looks absolutely amazing. The reviews were brilliant. So I got this one. It wasn't expensive as some of the others I've seen. So I'm going to open it now and hope that it is just as good. I've got the camera up as well, looking down on the workbench. So we'll be flicking between the two. So we're going to have a look at this now. So I've got a knife here somewhere. I'm going to slowly open the box. Let's get up. Alright. This nice and gently. I'm trying to obviously hide my address there. Let's see how this box opens. Just open on the end. I thought it opened on the side. It doesn't, it just opens on the end. So we're just going to open one end. Let's see. Probably open the wrong end. It's not looking too bad there. Oh my. Now actually, apart from the blade, which is quite clearly foam and rubber, the handle is looking really good. I'm really pleased with that. I'll do a little bit of a close in on the detailing in here. Is absolutely amazing, and this is all really lightweight but quite sturdy. Really quite pleased with that. The paint job is quite, I mean, this is all, I didn't expect that to even move. The quality in that is amazing. Obviously the blade, yeah, okay, it's a rubber blade, but I mean, I can paint that up and make that look even better. I can add some nice metallics to that and get that up on display. But the weathering on the handle, I thought I might have to like redo some of the work, but the detailing in around here, it's really quite good. There's a couple of little bit of flecks in there, but you know, I know I shouldn't, but yeah, that is really quite something. I'm actually really impressed with that. He might be getting a few more orders from me. But there we go. Obviously check them out. As I say, they've got a Amazon account in the UK and there's one in the US. Some brilliant stuff on there. I did love the pictures and looking at it, but it looks really good. But I'm going to get some really close-up pictures of this and post them on our socials. So be sure to have a look. I'm going to sit back down a minute just to sign off. I'm really pleased with the way that's come out. Really good. Obviously, I'm going to redo the blade, but I really love that. That's going to look, ooh, yeah. Hang that one up here. Get some of my other swords up on the wall. Make a nice display in the background there. And it's really good. This is like con safe. I mean, there's obviously something rigid in the middle, but I mean, there's no point to it. It's a nice soft blade, but doesn't look soft. It looks like a hard, rigid plastic, but it's not. I think this was money well spent. This was amazing. I might be looking at some others from these guys, so obviously when I can afford it. So this is kind of one ticked off my list that I now have to build. I kind of had an idea. I wasn't quite sure how well it was going to work using some edging foam, but ooh, yeah, I'm going to go and lead an army, I think. This is pretty good. Right, so obviously a bit of an unusual one there, so bear with us. We will be putting more stuff out, and obviously now I've got the office sorted, I'm hopefully going to be doing some more sort of videos in here as well, and some questions and talk stuff. So there we are, guys. Please like, please subscribe, and I will catch all of you very soon.